Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in the first time in human history where learning is no longer limited by schools, money, location, or teachers. Today, the world's most powerful tutor is available 24/7, and it fits in your pocket. That tutor is artificial intelligence. But here's the truth. AI does not automatically make you smarter. Using AI the wrong way makes you lazy. Using AI the right way makes you unstoppable. Today, I'm going to show you how to learn with AI like a high-performance student, not a shortcut seeker. 1. AI is your teacher, not your replacement. Most people use AI to get answers. Smart people use AI to understand answers. Don't ask. Crossmark, give me the solution. Ask instead. White heavy checkmark. Explain this step by step like I'm a beginner. White heavy checkmark. Why does this work? White heavy checkmark. Give me an example from real life. AI should not do your thinking. It should train your thinking. Think of AI as a personal tutor who never gets tired, never judges you, and will explain something 100 different ways until it clicks. 2. Turn AI into a personalized learning system. Traditional education teaches everyone the same way. AI teaches your way. You can say, explain this in simple language. Teach me using analogies. Quiz me after each lesson. Give me practice problems. You are no longer stuck with boring textbooks. You can transform any topic into a conversation. Imagine learning coding like a game. Imagine learning history like storytelling. Imagine learning business with real-world simulations. AI adapts to your speed. If you're slow, it slows down. If you're fast, it challenges you. That's superpower learning. 3. Use AI to break down big skills. People fail to learn because they feel overwhelmed. Learn programming. Learn marketing. Learn design. These are mountains. AI helps you turn mountains into steps. Ask. Make me a 30-day plan to learn graphic design. Give me a beginner to advanced roadmap for public speaking. Tell me what to learn first, second, and third. Suddenly, confusion becomes clarity. Clarity builds action. Action builds skill. 4. Learn by doing, not just reading. Knowledge without action is entertainment. After AI explains something, immediately ask. Give me an exercise. Give me a project. Test my understanding. If you learn video editing, make a video. If you learn writing, write daily. If you learn coding, build small apps. AI can review your work and say, here's how to improve. That feedback loop is how real growth happens. 5. Use AI to think deeper. AI is not just for learning facts. It's for sharpening your brain. Ask AI questions like, argue the opposite side. What mistakes do beginners make? Challenge my idea. Now you are not just memorizing. You are developing critical thinking, which is the real skill of the future. 6. Avoid the AI trap. Here's the danger. If AI writes everything for you, solves everything for you, and thinks everything for you, your brain becomes weak. Use this rule. Why try pointing back hand index first try yourself? Why try pointing back hand index then ask AI for help? Why try pointing back hand index then redo it better? AI should make you stronger, not dependent. 7. Learn skills that matter. With AI, you can learn high-income skills from home. Communication, digital marketing, coding, video editing, AI tools, business strategy. AI can be your mentor in all of them. You don't need to wait for permission. The internet is your university, and AI is your professor. 8. Consistency beats intelligence. AI gives you information, but only daily practice turns information into transformation. Even 30 minutes a day with focused AI learning can change your life in 1 year. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary people is not access. It's discipline. Conclusion. AI is not here to replace learners. AI is here to empower learners. The students who use AI to think, build, practice, and improve will become the leaders of tomorrow. The future will not belong to people who avoid AI. It will belong to people who learn how to learn with AI. So don't just scroll. Don't just watch. Don't just consume. Ask, learn, build, improve, repeat. Because in this era, your growth is no longer limited by opportunity. It's only limited by how badly you want to learn. Thank you. Rocket.